Good morning, Busy Bees. I hope you're having a great Monday morning. Look what I brought home. We have our weather or our seasons and our weather, and we have our calendar and our days of the week. So now we get to do it like we do in the classroom. So this week we're going to talk about flowers. We're going to talk about the parts of flowers in a minute, but first let's do the weather. So let's talk about what season it is. Now let's name our seasons. Ready? Winter, spring, summer, fall. So if last season was winter, that means it is spring. It is springtime, and that's why we're going to talk about flowers, because I bet you see a bunch of flowers growing in your yard, or if you're in the car, you can see them going down the road in the car. So the season is spring. So let's talk about the weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell me, busy bees, tell me, busy bees, what's the weather like today? So right now, I look out my window and I see the sun, but I knew it was going to rain today, so I checked my weather calendar, or my weather app, not calendar. So it said that it was cloudy, which the sun isn't that bright, so that means it is behind the clouds, and it's going to be warm today. But we have a chance of rain, and I hope all of you were safe last night. I know my family, they've lost power, so they haven't had power since last night. So hopefully they get that back, but I hope y'all weren't terribly affected. My house, we had like a little tree limb fall over, but that was about it. All right. So now let's move on to the calendar. It's a new month, Busy Bees. It's not April anymore. So let's find out what month it is. So it's not going to be April anymore. So let's figure out what month. Let's sing the months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. All right, so if you heard the song, think January, February, March. We just got done with April, so what comes after April? May. April showers bring May flowers. So that's why we're going to talk about flowers. All right. So now let's find out what day of the week it is. So let's sing our song. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, Busy Bees, let's use our brains and think. If yesterday was Sunday, that means today is Monday. Today is Monday. Oh, what a wonderful day. And that means tomorrow will be Tuesday. So far we've found out that it's May and it's Monday. But we got to figure out, we're missing a number. So what are we going to do to find out what the number is? We have to what? Count. So you can snap, you can clap, you can stomp your feet, you can pat your hands. So let's find out what today is. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Today is Monday the 4th. May the 4th be with you. All right. And look, on our calendar, we have a special day. It's a birthday. We have a special birthday this month. we're going to have Mr. Wyatt have a special birthday. So, we've talked about that it's May the 4th, and it's a Monday. So, May 4th, 2020. So glad I brought these home because I missed doing circle time the right way, and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to take it from home. I'm going to take it from work and bring it home so we can do it together. All right, so we found out the weather and the calendar. So now let's talk about the parts of the flower. All right, let's start with the bottom and go up. So down here are the roots. This is in the ground, and this is how they get all of their nutrients. It's through their roots. It rains, and it goes down the leaves, and it goes down the ground and goes into the roots. So that's how they drink. That's like their mouth. Like we drink with our mouth, they drink with their roots. All right, let's go up now. Let's see. Oh, what are these little things sticking out on the side? Those are the leaves. Leaves, and then the leaves are connected to the stem, and the stem is what connects to the roots, and it goes, the water goes up the stem, and it drinks, and it goes up to the flower part, and these are the petals. They're the petals, and then on the inside you see the little dots. Those are the seeds. That's what makes another flower. It comes off and plants itself in the ground again, and it becomes a flower. So I want you to see if you can find any flowers at your house. You don't pick them, but maybe have Mommy take a picture of you next to the flower, and you can send it to us, and so we can all see our friends next to their flowers. And I have some activities to do with you. So this week we're going to see how a flower blooms in water. And then what else did I save? I'm going to go find some flowers in the yard and paint with flowers. But we're going to do that all this week, and I'm going to do it over the computer so y'all can watch me do it, and then y'all can do it with your mom and dad and brother and sister. All right, now let's sing a song. Are y'all ready? So I'm going to sing this song. All right, ready? Where is Addison? Where is Addison? Please stand up. Please stand up. Do a little wave. Do a little clapping. Sit back down. Sit back down. Where is Wyatt? Where is Wyatt? Please stand up. Please stand up. Do a little wave. Do a little clapping. Sit back down. Sit back down. Where is Eleanor? Where is Eleanor? Please stand up. Please stand up. Do a little wave. Do a little clapping. Sit back down. Sit back down. Where is Winston? Where is Winston? Please stand up. Please stand up. Do a little wave. Do a little clapping. Sit back down. Sit back down. Where is Lucy? Where is Lucy? Please stand up. Please stand up. Do a little wave. Do a little clapping. Sit back down. Sit back down. Where is Hudson? Where is Hudson? Please stand up. Please stand up. Do a little wave. Do a little clapping. Sit back down. Sit back down. Where is Spencer? Where is Spencer? Please stand up. Please stand up. Do a little wave. Do a little clapping. Sit back down. Sit back down. Where is Gray? Where is Gray? Please stand up. Please stand up. Do a little wave. Do a little clapping. Sit back down. Sit back down. All right, now we're going to read a book, Bubble Troubles, by Stephen Krinsky and illustrated by Jimmy Pinkerton. Bubble Trouble. All right, busy bees. Looking at the book, I wonder what it's going to be about. Do you know what it's going to be about? I see some bubbles, so maybe it's going to be about bubbles. It looks like he's in a bathtub. There's a little ducky. All right, Busy Bees, so let's see. What is this? What part of the book is this? Do you know? Do you know what part it is? Can you tell me? It's the spine. That's right. It's the spine. Is this the back cover or the front cover? It's the front cover. And this is the back cover. All right, this is a tricky question. Let's see if you can get it. Is this a hard cover or a soft cover? Remember, I can bend it. So what does that make it? It's a soft cover. All right, so let's get going. Bubble trouble. One bubble, no trouble. 2 new bubbles, 3 bubbles, 4 bubbles, falling on the floor bubbles, bouncing out the door bubbles. Over books, under chairs, bubbles spilling down the stairs, through the hall, on the wall. Bubbles on the grass outside, going, going, overflowing. Bubbles shirts and bubble pants, do a little bubble dance. Bubbles climbing up a tree, birds scatter, squirrels chatter. Over cars down the street, bubble, bubble, bubbles double. Sweet bubbles on the rise. Bank bubbles, big surprise. Bubbling boat and bubbles float. While bubbles never stop, sun gets hot. Bubbles never stop. Sun gets hotter, bubbles pop. Oh, the heat is popping the bubbles. Bubbles bursting, bubbles breaking, bubbles bustling, unmaking. Bubbles going, 3, 2, 1. Bubbles gone, bubbles done. Make more bubbles, bubble fun. Well, I miss you so much, Busy Bees, and I hope to see you soon. We'll be doing a video chat with all of our friends on Wednesday at 10:30, so I hope to see you then.